Bunch of floods.
Until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across Hartford County in Connecticut and is expected to move across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen in parts of Hartford County, which has led to significant basement flooding in the towns of Simsbury and Bristol. The expected rainfall rate is 2 inches in 1 hour, with as much as 1.5 inches of rain having fallen at Bradley International Airport. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Flash flooding of small creeks and led to significant basement flooding in the towns of Simsbury and Bristol. The expected rainfall rate is 2 inches in 1 hour, with as much as 1.5 inches of rain having fallen at Bradley International Airport. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Springfield, Manchester, Chicopee, East Hartford, Enfield, Vernon, Agawam, Springfield, Mansfield, South Windsor, Ludlow, Southbridge, Longmeadow, East Longmeadow, Ellington, Tolland, Wilbury include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Flash flood small creeks and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include...
That's not all.
Part of the... So, if you'd like to go... 617.
Love my candy. I bought a Tootsie Roll Pop. And for me, there's just something simple and it put us...
Wilbraham, Charlton, Coventry, and Palmer.
All rises from...
Thank you.
Hartford, Town, Wyndham, Hampton, Worcester, bunch of floods.
And they've been testing out an a la carte business
Central Hampshire County in
in their hotels right now.
indicated thunderstorms producing torrential rain over West. In Hartford County from this band of torrential rains. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is Doppler radar. The rain over western Massachusetts and northern Connecticut that will move into the Warren area. Parts of urban and poor drainage. The National Weather Service. Excessive rain caused Webster, Southbridge, Auburn, Northbridge.
It's Love for Local. Each month,
Comfort.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Overall, Shrewsbury, Westboro, Grafton, Holden, Webster, Southbridge, Auburn, Northbridge, Northborough, Oxford, Osbridge, Millbury, Charlton, Palmer, Spencer, Dudley, Leicester, and Worcester, and Ware.
Life comes and goes.
Bunch of floods. SVR.
She and her husband Larry might be old school.
Of all the things you do to protect your health, none is more important than staying on medication.
Clinton and Nosebridge.
50 extra rewards each year just for filling your prescriptions. That's easier, made easier. Visit your local CVS.
Here it is!
You can meet me in the back.
The National Weather Service of Central Middlesex County in northeastern for northeastern Windham County in Connecticut, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Providence County in Rhode Island until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Webster, 16 miles south of Worcester, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail include Worcester, Framingham, Marlborough, Shrewsbury. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Worcester, Framingham, Marlborough, Shrewsbury, Natick, Milford, Hudson, Westboro, Grafton, Webster, Southbridge, Ashland, Auburn, Burteville, Northbridge, Hopkinton, Northborough, Oxford, Clinton, and Usbridge.
Up in my ear, echoes of your footsteps on the stage.
They never knew what they told me. They never know. An SVR in a marginal risk. In the Northeast. Oh boy, the remnants of Fred. Yeah, these are the remnants of Fred.
The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts.
Flash flood warning.
Tornado, Middlesex, Worcester County.
Until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:46 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Torrential rainfall moving into the Warren area and produced several areas of urban flooding and road closures in the Worcester area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Boston, Cambridge, Quincy, Lynn, Newton, Somerville, Framingham, Waltham, Malden, Brookline, Medford, Wayne.
Well, your other one needed more charging.
No, I want that one. Salem, Marlborough, Woburn, and Braintree. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Massachusetts and Ipswich Bays, as well as the Stellwagen Bank National and Marine Sanctuary.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Believe it or not, Vicky. Nerd.
Flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for Essex County and northeastern Massachusetts. Northeastern Middlesex County and northeastern Massachusetts until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Again, at this point, not quite tight enough that it's something that we worry about a tornado imminently. But I also want to show you what we call our degree tracker. This is something where I tend to look for colors like blue to indicate that we may be seeing debris that's been wafted into the sky. We briefly saw a weak indication of this when the solar warning was issued earlier. We'll see
And underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lowell, Lynn, Lawrence, Taylor, Peabody, McLean, Salem, Billerica, Beverly, Chelmsford, Andover, Lexington.
What? When I put the remote. Warning.
And the regime has changed. Go home.
And given that context, it is incredibly courageous. Women, Afghani women taking to the streets today in defiance of the Taliban's tremendous courage. President Joe Biden has said he is skeptical of the Taliban claiming their regime has taken a moderate turn. It's 12:50. Jingles over the decades. Let's travel back to the 60s.
Around 1:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Swaps got around 1:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Salem around 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Marblehead around 1:30.
80s. Tina Gal. Alton's News Radio.
Because this is kind of consuming, and I apologize. But I'm not even trying it in the back anymore. To save time, okay? I got it a little bit.
Massachusetts. Details in a moment.
Hi, this is Brian Kelly from the Kelly Automotive Group. I hear the same rhetoric that you hear. Car dealers don't have any vehicles in stock. We may not have every model or every color in stock, but because we're